following counties in Illinois: Christian, Effingham, Moultrie, and Shelby. High wind warning in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. What? North to northeast winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts to around 60 miles per hour. Where? Portions of central, east central, and southeast Illinois. When? Until 7 p.m. this evening. The following impacts are expected. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive.
Flood stage is 23.0. The wind stage was 12.1 feet at 9